Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. I'm in my kitchen. I'm pre-sprouting peas. This is the perfect trick to use if your soil is a little bit colder, soggier. You don't want your dry peas sitting in soggy, cold soil. It's a great chance for them to get molds or fungus and rot. This is a really great way to increase germination and speed up germination. I want to show you the process, and then I'll take these outside and show you how I'm planting these in a single row. First thing is peas, obviously, out of a pack. They're hard, they're dry. I just dropped some on the floor. Soak them in water for about 4 to 6 hours, just like that. In about that time, they're going to swell up. They're going to be perfectly round. And then we'll do that with these. But you take them, put them into a damp paper towel, and you let them sit there really about 36 hours. They're going to sprout out roots. And then we just take these outside and plant them, and I'll show you how to do that. This is really going to increase the time of germination, or decrease the time of germination. They'll germinate sooner, and it's going to reduce the risk of them getting a mold or a fungus. I've grown peas many ways, including indoors, and you really just don't have to do that. This is the quickest way to get peas ready. Just pre-sprout them, basically. Dump the peas, well, dump the water out, put the peas on a paper towel, and you're just going to fold it over. Nothing fancy. Let me get that out of the way. And flip it over, stick it into a dish, add a little bit of water, and you're going to wait about 36 hours, and they're going to sprout out a root. Once that's done, we can take these outside. I'm going to plant them 1 inch apart in a single row, about 1/2 inch deep. And these peas, again, they're going to germinate more quickly, and you're going to reduce the risk of having problems like molds and fungus, just basically rotting your peas. This bed was prepared well last year. You could scatter across. I'm going to plant the peas right along this line, and you want them to trellis up something because they have hollow stems. You could scatter some handfuls of organic granular fertilizer down there, mix it in to about 2 to 4 inches deep, or throw some compost down there, mix it in. Just, you want a nice loose planting bed. Peas fix their own nitrogen. That means they can pull nitrogen out of the air, so they're not going to really struggle if the beds are a little bit low in nitrogen. When I'm done, if it wasn't raining, I would water this in well. You could use a water-soluble fertilizer. That's going to give your plants everything they need to really get started. So here is the trellising option, and you want to trellis a good 3 to 4 feet tall. And I'm just going to go through here and make holes about 1 inch apart. I really want to go about 1/2 inch deep to 1 inch deep, even a little bit closer. And it's going to be a single row. Drop the peas in after you set up the hole. Again, 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep. Be very careful with them. Some of these holes weren't quite deep enough. The peas are now soft, so if you try and push it in deeper, you may smash the pea and damage it. And you don't have to, over worry about the depth. As long as they're covered, they're going to grow. That's it. This is a great way to, I think, grow peas. Just sprout them 36 hours in the house. Come out, plant them where you want. When I'm doing a single row, again, I put them closer together. There's going to be plenty of airflow. They're going to trellis up here. You can plant peas in so many ways. When I'm doing them in a big square, sometimes I leave 2 to 3 inches between the peas. Again, 1,000 different ways to plant them. I really recommend this method. Pre-sprouting them is really going to save you a headache, save you time, and it's really, really effective. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and please subscribe. I'll teach you how to grow food and have some fun. Thanks for watching.